It's Thursday the 28th. It's 5 AM. I'm on the M20. There's roadworks and we're on our way to the Eurotunnel. Let's go. Well, hello everybody. This is a Eurotour that we had booked for, God, since December 19 I booked this, and then of course COVID happened and here we are, finally. We're on our way. I've got my friend Jeff with me up in front, and it's Thursday the 28th of July even. Don't even know where I am, so it's too early. Looking good for France and Germany. It's hopefully going to be in the range of 26 to 30 degrees hopefully. Time for a fuel stop, I think. Whoa.
It's weird, comes down to this slow.
It does.
Is it in there?
I don't know, mate.
Yes, fuel.
Yeah, fuel.
How much is it here? Please don't say it's fucking astronomical.
I did see the sign, dude.
And as though we need it, so...
Exactly.
I wonder if we've got time for a cheeky Costa. Do you think we have? It's 5:31, mate. I think we can do a Costa.
Unless we get something when we're there. Yeah, we'll do one here if you want.
I do one here, because I need to regroup.
I must admit, I need to have a vape.
Let's do one here. My wrists are so cold.
Are they?
Wrists.
This quite literally is liquid gold.
Isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah. 8.81 litres, £17.26. That is crazy.
Better.
Shake hands with the unemployed.
Hey?
You shake hands with the unemployed. Hey?
It all shriveled up.
Yeah.
Fucking freezing.
It is cold, man. And the question is, will it start? I've been having a bit of a problem. It's quite a well-known problem if you look online with this. With starting. Like, I've had it a couple of times where I've ridden like 5 miles from my house to get fuel, and then it won't start. Gives the symptoms of a flat battery, but it's not a flat battery. It's been into BMW a couple of times and they can't fault it. But I'm hoping I don't get stranded, or it lets me down while we're away, but we'll find out, I guess.
Of course, someone in there was emptying their stomach, and fuck me, did it smell. Dirty bastard.
Yeah.
My first ever Euro.
Yeah, well, it's my first time going on the Eurotunnel. So, I've always wanted to go on it.
Hello, mate. How you doing? Well, whatever you do.
Oh yeah, let me just grab my phone out. Yeah, I just got to grab it out, man. There you go. Cheers. First time.
Is that you, yeah?
Yes, that's me, Mr. Yep. I'm so glad you're here.
That's all right.
We're queuing up and we're going, is this right? What do we do? What do we do?
You'll see the signs on the front, just follow them.
Okay,
And then you'll need this for when you get to the train, because they need to put you in what the Saturday.
okay. Cool. Let me just... Right. Alright.
Yeah, just put it into kilometres an hour.
Have you? Right, let me do mine, dude. How'd you car park, dude? Oh, turn right here. Turn right here, my man. Oh, well, we know for next time you just put your boarding number in. It's quite, well, I suppose we'd have worked that out. Well, we're here, we made it.
There is no